In this video, we will see code implementation. Now let's quickly check the code implementation of this problem. So we have discussed two approaches. So let me put here, this is approach 1. And in this approach, let me quickly create one function where it is palindrome is equal to function x. Okay. So here I will write the code. So I will take one variable let reverse. Okay. This will be my reverse number, and I am taking the number in the temp. Okay. Now what I will do, I will check while temp is greater than 0, I will simply decrease it one by one and I will fill it my reverse. Okay. So first of all, I will take the last digit. So let me put the digit is equals to temp modulus 10. Okay. So basically by this modulus, it will give me the last digit. It will be clear if I last digit here. Okay. Now in the reversed, I will simply add it. So reversed equals to reverse into 10, because one by one it will multiply it by that, into 10, then digit. So basically 0 into 10 will be 0, and then this digit will be added. Suppose if there is 231, so 1 will be added, the last digit. Sorry, my bad. Last digit. When this is done, what I will do, now my temp will be changed, my number will be changed. Basically I will check math.floor is equals to temp divided by 10. Okay. Once this is done, I will simply compare. If I can simply compare it, or also I can return reversed is equals to x or not. Okay. So I will simply compare. If reversed is equals to x, simply return true. Okay. Else return false. Okay. I can directly return if reversed is equals to x. That is also possible, but let's make it a bit more clear. So here, I guess now this is clear. We have a reverse starting with 0, and this temp with a number. I will simply add one by one digit, and then what I will do, I will get the last digit. I will add the last digit, and I will decrease that number. Once the whole thing is done, I can simply compare it. So this was approach 1. Now let's quickly check what is the approach 2. So in approach 2, we will simply use 2 pointers here. One more thing, like here, that like even in the example also I have shared, like if suppose if you are getting any number that is less than 0, that is a negative number, so we can't find the reverse of it, I can simply return it. Although like by this also, like the number won't be equal, so you will return false only, but I am just putting one case here. Okay. Now let me quickly copy this function, not this approach, this function, paste it here in approach 2. And I don't want this thing. Okay, don't want this thing. Okay, this is the only condition. What I will do, I will compare into an string. String equals to string of that number. So string of x. Okay. Now I will simply run a loop. So I will take 2 pointer. Let's left equals to 0. Let right equals to string dot length -1. And while left is less than right, what I will do, I will simply run it. So I will check if my string of left is not equals to string of right. What I will do, I will simply throw false, right, ht, I guess, right, yes. Then what I will do, I will simply throw return false, because if it is not equal, I will simply return false. Okay. If it is equal, so we will try for other possibilities. So I will do left plus plus, and I will do right minus. So basically this will run. Okay. When I will come out from this loop, right, and everything works fine, so I will simply return true. That means the number, both the, like, even reading it from the forwards or backwards, both reads the same. That means return true. Okay. So yeah, this was approach 2, pretty simple. Okay, and this was approach 1, specifically for the numbers. Okay, you have both the approaches. You can apply any of these approaches. In the next video, we will do a quick dry run of these two approaches. So see you in the next video.